In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out Exness from other devices. Now to do this, first you want to sign in to your Exness personal area dashboard, and then from here you want to click on Profile over here on the left, and then you want to click on Security, which should be the second tab. From here, scroll down to the bottom, and then here you can find Device and Account Security, and it says log out from all other devices except this one to secure your account. So if you need to do this, and if you want to log out, click on Log Out from Other Devices over here, and then there we go. It's going to say, are you sure? This will remove access to your Exness account from all other devices. You'll stay logged in on this device only. So if you're sure you actually want to do this, click on the logout button over here, and as you can see over here, if you think someone else has access to your personal area and your account, you should reset your password after signing out of other devices. Okay, so if you're doing this, likely this is going to be recommended as well. Hit the logout button over here, and there we go. I've been logged out from all other devices. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.